Happy Friday, everyone. I'm Melissa Wickham from staugustine.com, here to give you another weekend update on the Go and Do events happening this week in the nation's oldest city. The annual Blue Crab Festival will be held all weekend in downtown Palatka. The event will feature live music, an arts and crafts fair, a Memorial Day parade, and of course a tasty seafood cook-off. For more information, visit www.bluecrabfestival.com. Students from the St. Augustine Community School of Performing Arts will put on a show on Friday night from 5 to 6 p.m. at the Boys and Girls Club located on West King Street. Come out and support these young entertainers for all of their talent and hard work. We have quite the lineup on Saturday, starting with the Mini Kiss and Chard Netherlands show on the grounds of the Ripley Castle. Mini Kiss will perform a concert, and 10-time Guinness World Record holder and History Channel star Chad Netherland will showcase his super strength. The event will be held from 7 to 9 p.m. and will also feature paranormal investigations of the castle, Ripley train rides, and much more. Finally, we have the North Beach Arts Market that will be open from 3 to 7 p.m. at North Beach Park in Volano Beach. This public event will feature fresh designs and products from local artists and business owners, and also offers a friendly environment for the kids with shady trees and a play area. Wrapping up your weekend on Sunday, we have a highly anticipated concert at the Amphitheater featuring popular artists Colby Calais and Gavin DeGraw with their acoustic melodies and catchy lyrics. Doors open at 5:30 p.m. and the show begins at 6:30. Tickets are still available. Don't miss your chance to listen to the beautiful sounds of this young duo. I know I will be there. For more information on these weekend events, click the link below. Have a great Memorial Day weekend, everyone.